close to departure, runway 25, close to takeoff.
Takeoff. Executive Tower, 2 Juliet, 10 north of field with Papa, inbound full stop.
Is 822 Juliet, Executive Tower, enter a right downwind for runway 25.
Right downwind for 5, Juliet.
07 Foxtrot Delta, to follow 4 mile final Archer.
Looking for traffic, 57 Foxtrot Delta.
5464 Delta, caution make sure for the departing Falcon, turn right on course 25 at Alpha 2, clear for takeoff.
Turn right on course, clear for takeoff, runway 5 at Alpha 2, 5464 Delta.
Monkey 551, 25 cleared below, the way circuit, on the 25 landing,
500 here, please, heading 591.
direct at 525, it's close to departure, runway 25 full length, clear for takeoff.
Close to departure, runway 25 full length, takeoff executive 525.
Monkey 531 for Lewis, runway 25, cleared low approach.
Cleared low approach, 25, runway 25. Go 25, 65. Second, 55 before inbound ILS 5, request touch and go followed by the
5 at 20 of Executive Tower, runway 7, continues, and stop only.
It's a full step only, that's it. Seven
Foxtrot Delta, downwind, you're following a citation. Mile final.
Send it downwind, looking for traffic, 257 Foxtrot Delta.
4 Tango, extend downwind. 14 Tango Hotel. 4 remain outside of Bravo airspace. Change approved.
You maintain outside of Bravo, you can change approved, that's 524. That's 1,600, wing via.
919. Runway 2 Bravo, flight full to departure, runway 25, clear for takeoff. Executive Tower.
Yes, ma'am, I'll set the goal for 4.
Copy 901, X from Alpha 4 approved. Runway 25, full line of wait. Number 2 approved. Clear track 221, Executive Tower, hold for arriving traffic. Meter 4914 for departing traffic, widen out your downwind to the left, please.
Minus the downwind to the left, 1 and 2 full.